Welcome to CollabNow. In this quick video, we will guide you through the process of scheduling time to connect with a busy executive who is not available at this very instance. A person wants to get a hold of you. He enters your digital virtual office by clicking the link that is either available in your email signature or published on LinkedIn or anywhere else. He finds that you're busy right now, so they send you a quick video or SMS message to describe why they're looking to get accomplished with you. He uses the real-time calendaring function to find an open slot on your calendar and book a subsequent meeting. Now we're going to walk you through a second scenario where a person wants to get a hold of you. So they enter your digital virtual office to see that you are at your desk and available right now. So you instantly let them into your digital office and engage them in real-time video collaboration. You can put up a whiteboard to review some ideas. Within the real-time collaboration space, you can have simultaneous screen sharing that enables you to share multiple screens. Later that day, you can review the conversation that was discussed and generate a transcript of the conversation for your notes. 1 week later, you can search for the conversation, review that conversation, and all the other relevant conversations that you had with that client or on the subject matter that you discuss. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact us. Thanks for watching.